Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W wind turbine generator is a vertical-axis wind turbine designed for various applications ranging from residential energy production to off-grid power solutions. With its three-blade design, this wind turbine aims to harness wind energy effectively, potentially transforming it into usable power across different voltage systems, including 12V, 24V, and 220V. At first glance, the turbine's construction appears sturdy and robust, with materials that are intended to withstand outdoor conditions. The vertical axis design offers a unique advantage: it can capture wind from any direction, reducing the need for complex positioning. This feature can be particularly beneficial in areas where wind patterns are unpredictable or variable. The 18,000W capacity suggests that this generator is aimed at users who require a higher output, whether for residential use, agricultural purposes, or other off-grid applications. This model's versatility allows it to be connected to different voltage systems, making it suitable for a range of electrical setups, from small battery systems to larger grid-tied systems. Usage of the wind turbine is relatively straightforward, although installation may require some technical knowledge. It is important to mount the turbine securely to ensure that it can withstand the forces of strong winds. Many users may find it helpful to consult installation guides or seek assistance from professionals during the setup process. Once installed, the turbine can begin generating power as long as there is sufficient wind. One consideration to keep in mind is the noise level produced by the turbine during operation. While vertical wind turbines are generally quieter than their horizontal counterparts, some users may still notice sound, particularly in strong winds. Additionally, the site where the turbine is installed should be evaluated for optimal wind exposure to maximize efficiency. In conclusion, the 18,000W wind turbine generator presents an option for those interested in renewable energy solutions. With its adaptable voltage options and vertical design, it offers flexibility for a variety of applications. Potential users should consider their specific energy needs, installation requirements, and the environmental conditions of their location to determine if this wind turbine aligns with their energy goals.